Welcome back. You are watching Becky Vicky Hairstylist Words. Please like, please subscribe, and please turn on your notification bell. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Thank you so much for tuning in. Happy New Week, guys. Hope you guys are fine wherever you are watching, you are joining this channel from. This is Becky Vicky Hairstylist, the best channel where we upload new and amazing contests, latest and recent trendy hairstyles ideas, tips, tutorial when it comes to braid for women. If you're a returning subscriber, you're highly welcome. A big shout out to all my new subscribers. I love you all. Please do me well by hitting that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to this channel. In today's video is all about tutorial on how to achieve amazing trendy hairstyles you have been seeing in this channel or that has been trendy all over the social media for your gorgeous, astonishing and a beautiful look. Today's tutorial are collections of different braided hairstyles ideas. This is Fulani stitch braid with knotless at the back, as you can see in the video. After braiding your knotless braid, then you come to the front. The half part is stitch braid. This is called Fulani Braids Hairstyle. It's amazing, guys. You are going to be seeing a lot in today's video. We also have passion twist. If you are struggling on how to achieve passion twist braid, we have it in today's tutorial. And also you are going to be seeing how to tucking in your natural hair into your extension when it comes to boss braid, and also how to achieve boss braid using crochet pin. We all have it in today's video. You are also going to be seeing how to twist your extension during braiding. We all have all in today's video. They are all amazing tutorial. You are going to be seeing crisscross braid. Guys, if you are struggling on how to achieve crisscross braid, we have it in today's video. Take a look at this hairstyle is giving with amazing ending coils. The coils are amazing, guys. Take a look at the coils. If you want to know how to achieve the coils at the tips of your braid, we have the video. Please don't hesitate to go back to our previous post where you can find it there. Take a look at this golden color. It's amazing, guys. You're going to be seeing how to add your extension when braiding. Take a look at this carefully, guys. Don't be in a hurry. Give this video a thumbs up, share with friends and family, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to this channel. Please subscribe for more video, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell because we upload every day. We give tips and tutorials on how to achieve most of the hairstyles you are seeing in this channel, and this is one of the tutorial. Don't miss out. Share this video out, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please drop it in the comment section. I will be glad to reply to your messages because I derive pleasure in doing that. Your message, your questions matters a lot. Looking good is a good business. That is why Becky Vicky Hairstylist is here for you every day. Thank you all so much for your like. For those that are sharing our videos, I love you all. Keep supporting Becky Vicky Hairstylist World. Don't be in a hurry. Make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can learn one or two tricks on how to achieve those styles that you are finding it difficult to get braid on your client or on yourself. Thank you all so much, guys. Remain blessed. See you all in my next video. Bye.